While government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, highlighted as ETH. With decentralized finance, DeFi turning into all the rage, calculations and science-supported digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023 is indicated by our Ethereum Expectation 2023. The coin might have least and greatest costs of around $1,607 and $3,904 individually. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. When it is 2025, our Ethereum conjecture recommends that the coin could have arrived at a greatest worth of $6,564, with a base cost of $4,559. Ethereum Value Forecast 2030. According to our and so forth cost expectation, it is normal that the token might exchange at a limit of $20,643, with a base cost of $14,340 in 2030. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest cryptographic money, the whole peculiarity, and the key center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers designers to form and work on savvy contracts, naturally executing tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called Tranquility, ETH 2.0, is the expansion of the Ethereum structure with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a slow and predictable stage-wise revealing with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional improvement and productivity, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding method to lessen the exchange cost and speed up, including sharding with the blend, will expand its asset utilization execution amazingly. Furthermore, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, i.e., Ethereum Virtual Machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation are currently at last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is currently more eco-accommodating because of the union. Since arriving at the ETH in November 2021, ETH cryptographic money has stamped huge unpredictability in its cost activity. In 2023, the symbolic even crossed the $2,000 mark after a huge delay. Throughout the past week, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,120 and $1,700. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,813. How high will Ethereum go? One of the principal motivations behind why Ethereum was going down was the series of forceful financing cost climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers were constantly stressed over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market. In this manner, searching for preferred choices over the crypto market to put away their cash. Nonetheless, when Bitcoin at long last crossed the $30K mark, the whole market saw a cost rise. In view of the latest thing, Ethereum will ascend to a worth of $20,643 by 2030. Simultaneously, the ETH value estimate of exchanging monsters uncovers the coin will have just reached $3,379.408 by 2025 because of the negative cost history, while long figure uncovers that the ETH cost might be $5,416 by 2026 in view of their Ethereum cost conjecture. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. In light of the specialized examination and cost changes, Ethereum digital money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In correlation, the base and most extreme costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost forecast. Ethereum Value Expectation 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost vacillations, Ethereum digital currency might exchange at a typical cost of $2,755 in 2023. In correlation, the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,607 and $3,904, according to our ETH cost expectation. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025. According to our ETH forecast 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $4,559, $5,561, and $6,564 in the crypto market. As per our Ethereum forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and combinations soon of the Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectations 2026. Our Ethereum figure uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $5,915 to $8,515, where the previous is the most minimal conceivable cost, while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. Conversely, the typical cost for the year might be $7,215. ETH forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum cost expectation, the coin might have a possible high and likely low of $11,142 and $7,740, separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $9,441. ETH expectation 2028 is indicated by our Ethereum forecasts. For the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $9,213 and $13,263, separately. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $11,238 in light of our Ethereum crypto cost forecast. Ethereum cost conjecture 2029. Continuously 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum coin cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $16,713 in the year 2029, while it might exchange around a low of $11,610. The typical worth is supposed to be around $14,162. Ethereum value forecast 2030. Our ETH cost expectations 2030 demonstrated the coin may be hustling to peak. The token might have a base cost of $14,340 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a huge high of $20,643 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging, with a typical worth of $17,492 in the year 2030. In light of our examination, the more the merrier. The more the specialists' crypto evaluations and suppositions for the Ethereum cost expectations, the better. Tell us the venture council of powerhouses for the approaching not many years. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost forecast, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. Be that as it may, this doesn't comprise speculation guidance in any structure. Complete your own exploration to lessen the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2023? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits, according to our Ethereum cost expectation. In any case, do your own exhaustive examination prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just in light of your speculation targets to lessen every one of the dangers. How high will Ethereum go? According to our Ethereum cost expectation, no other crypto can guarantee a fantasy with this idealism. Adding ETH to your crypto wallet can end up being an important venture. Gave you